Hello, my name is Ivan Molina, and this is a proposal for a bioprocess for the production and purification of GFP, green fluorescent protein. The target market for this bioprocess is the industry that produces genetic kits using GFP as a marker. There are two main problems that this bioprocess aims to resolve. The first one is related with the overpricing of the product in the market, and the next aspect is the analysis of a bioprocess to eliminate expensive and polluting unit operations, such as chromatography, in favor of more sustainable and cost-effective options. In the proposal, this bioprocess consisting of the production of GFP using a bioreactor in batch operation mode, the cells are listed in the mill, and aqueous two-phase extraction ITPS is employed. ITPS is more sustainable unit operation that avoids the use of organic solvents and is cheaper than chromatography. Then the product is recovered. We have ultrafiltration followed by a freeze-drying for storage, avoiding the need for an ultra-cold chain. In experimental part, a factorial design was conducted. The specific growth rate of microorganisms showed no statistical significant difference between antibiotic concentrations and media culture. However, in the fluorescence, the best option is M9 culture medium with a dry solution containing 30 micrograms per milliliter of ampicillin concentration. Using this data, an experiment with a graded volume was conducted, and the results demonstrated that culture medium is effective for GFP production. Then the evaluation of the unit operations of purification shows that they are effective to purify the final product. This is evidence that the reduction in total protein concentration. Regarding the environmental impact of this process, there are several advantages. First, the use of more sustainable unit operation reduces the waste of toxic chemicals. Reactive agents such as culture medium and some solvents are recovered and recirculated, optimizing the use and following the principles of green chemistry. Additional effluents are treated with wastewater treatment plants to eliminate antibiotic concentrations. It also enhances the safety of individuals by reducing exposure to substances which are a risk for health. Moreover, reducing the overall price of GFP will increase the research and technological advance that could improve the quality of life for many people. This approach promotes a vision of democratizing the science and the technology. For an economic perspective, the final product will be priced at $800 per milligram of GFP, a significant reduction compared to the current price of $2,000. However, a lower price does not necessarily mean a reduced profit margin. The proposed bioprocess maintains an economic stability with a gross margin of 99% and a payback period of 0.01 years. Related with the normative, this process complies with the current regulations. First, it adheres to the water quality standards for waste disposal by implementing these recirculations to minimize the effluent quantity and incorporating a wastewater treatment plant to ensure the proper quality parameters. Secondly, it complies with laws related to safe production of genetically modified organisms by following the general principles of biosecurity and biosafety, as well as the recommended good laboratory practices by the United Nations. Finally, it meets the requirements for current labeling of chemical agents. Thank you for your attention.